Hi everyone, I wanted to walk you through Week 2 expectations for your Quantitative Reasoning Support class, your MAT 052. So for this week, you will complete Edpuzzles for Support Lesson 2A, 2C, and 3A. There is no support for 2B. You will also complete your support notes while you watch those Edpuzzles. So please note, again, these are different. There's a different code for this Edpuzzle site as well. You'll see over here that you have 2 preview assignments that are also due. These are the same preview assignments that you will be completing for your MAT 152 Quantitative Reasoning course, which is why they are not found in this particular D2L shell. You can find these in your Math 152 D2L. They are the same exact pages that you will be completing for that other course. So again, if we go under Content, go down to Unit 1, Support 2. This is where you can find your notes. There are some extra videos here to help you along with this material as well. As always, I'll try to post an announcement every Friday morning. It'll go over what is due for the week. And again, I have student hours in case you guys need any help with this material. I hope you guys have a great week. Please let me know if you need any help.